Control System in VELTECH Multi College. My guide is Nas Mohan Ram, Assistant Professor in VELTECH Multi College. My project title is Implementation of Hybrid Prevention System for Disabled Person using an Android-based application. The main objective of my project is to monitor and detect the fall emergency elderly persons and patients. Not only detect and monitor, it can obtain their blood pressure level and heartbeat number, temperature level, and activity recognition, and it informs the respective person's relation and nearby area ambulance. My main abstract of the project is the enhanced fall detection system is proposed as an elderly person for monitoring that is based on a smart sensor on the body, and it can navigate it through the GPS and AGPS, and it communicated through the combination networks, so the users can get the medical help immediately. It makes use of two accelerometers, blood pressure sensor, heartbeat sensor, and temperature sensor are connected in a microprocessor. Though the GSM and GPS informations are sent to the nearby medical help and relations. The main exit system is the fall emergency is monitored by the accelerometer. The respective person relation only can indicate it about the emergency. The persons must can only arrangement for the medical. The main disadvantage is the person cannot have the immediate help, and the temperature and BP sensors are not monitored, and it has a low accuracy. It is a proposed block diagram. In this proposed block diagram, I use an ARM processor, and I use two sensors. This is a temperature sensor and blood pressure sensor. In this, two acceleration sensors are connected in the ARM processor and wireless receiver. These wireless receivers are used for to connect the ARM processor and another ambulance kit. By using the GPS, we can find the location of the person where the fall accidents occur. This GSM are used for to send the SMS from the fall accident person to the near ambulance kit and the relation. The LC for the demo purpose. The proposed system. The main proposed system is the monitor and inform the relation for ambulance for medical help, and the BP sensor and temperature sensor monitored. In proposed system, we can recheck the status of the person even though they are not accident fall is occur. And the advantage is it's a low cost, accuracy is high, and we can easily check the status of rechecking at all time. The hardware and software are required for this project is an ARM processor. ARM processor, accelerometer sensor, temperature sensor, and wireless sensor. Blood pressure sensor. The blood pressure sensor is a pressure of the blood which can use in arteries and pump through the heart. Blood pressure sensor record by through the two numbers, systolic and diastolic. It's a normal temperature sensor. It's used in LM385, which it records the temperature sensor. It's a pin diagram of description. Accelerometer sensor. It's a two which placed in the abdomen and thigh. It's a common features for the acceleration sensor, and the normal transceiver which can use to transfer the information for both the ambulance kit and the relation persons. It's a features for the RM. This is a hardware use. The main hardware partition is an ARM processor which can connect through the two accelerometer sensor and connected as a BP sensor, two wearable as a BP sensor, and the temperature sensor is connected. This is a GSM transmitter. So this is a GSM model which send the information to the relation persons and the nearest ambulance kit. This is an ambulance kit which is provided for the ambulance purpose. It provides a nearest location. And this is a GPS. This GPS is used for to find the location where the person is in a fall accident occur. And this is a transceiver which connected which placed in both in this ARM processor kit and ambulance kit to share the information and check the status. This is an Android app which I am created for this purpose. By using this receiver number setting, we can save our number setting, and by this status button is used for the check the normal person status as a temperature and blood pressure sensor. This is a hardware output. This is a normal. The first picture shows us that the person has a normal, abnormal, but it's working. The second person is shows it's a BP status and abnormal. The person is fall down. The fall down is an occur. This is a simulation result. By using the protease after the simulation is occurred. This based on the abnormal and blood pressure sensor. This is a fall occurred. This is a conclusion. The paper design and robust performance in real life, and the sensor is done continuous for control of motion. This is a reference.
Yeah,